Get ready to be amazed cause see this might just be the most satisfying purchase is officially taking over the internet. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes C so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly, shockingly good at what it does for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Click the verified product link located inside the video description today without